In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make Adobe Acrobat default. By the end, your PDFs will automatically open in Acrobat on your Windows computer, which can save time and give you consistent tools for viewing, signing, and commenting. Start by pressing the Windows key on your keyboard. This opens the Start menu and brings up the search bar. It's the quickest way to get where we need to go. Next, open the Settings app. You can type Settings into the search bar and select it, or click the gear icon if it appears. Settings is where Windows keeps all the controls for apps and defaults. Inside Settings, select Apps. This section manages what programs handle different file types. If you don't immediately see what you're looking for, there's a search box at the top of the Settings window that can help you jump straight to the right place. Now go to Default Apps. This is where you decide which application opens each kind of file. Think of it as telling Windows, whenever I open a PDF, use this app. On the Default Apps page, you'll set the association for PDF files. Look for the entry that represents the PDF file type. It often appears as .pdf with a dot in front, like a sample file extension. If you see a search field labeled Set Defaults for File Types, type PDF to filter the list and find it faster. Click the current app shown next to .pdf. If you haven't changed it before, it might say Microsoft Edge or another viewer. When you click it, Windows will show you a list of available apps that can open PDFs. From that list, choose Adobe Acrobat. Depending on what you have installed, it might appear as Adobe Acrobat Reader or Adobe Acrobat. Pick the one you use. If you don't see it at first glance, look for an option to show more apps, then select Acrobat. Finally, confirm by selecting Set as Default. This tells Windows to use Acrobat every time you open a PDF from File Explorer, email attachments, or your desktop. A few quick tips. If Acrobat doesn't appear, make sure it's installed and updated. If Windows asks whether you want to switch apps, confirm and proceed. And if you ever want to change this later, just return to the same default apps area and pick a different program. That's it. You've set Adobe Acrobat as your default PDF app, and your files should now open exactly where you want them. Thanks for watching, and happy PDF viewing.